Welcome back IFASS Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we will perform practical lab in a Cisco Packet Tracer. In previous video, we discussed the basic concept of router and how router connect different networks. Now in this section, we will implement that concept practically. Today we will build two separate LAN networks and connect them using Cisco routers like this topology. At the end of this lab, you will clearly understand how to create two LAN networks, how to connect network using a router, how to configure router interface, and how to enable communication between network using default gateway. So let's start our lab 6 in a Cisco Packet Tracer. We need following devices. First, we need two switch. One is 2960 and second is also 2960. Now we need 6 PCs, 3 PCs on LAN 1 and 3 PC on LAN 2. Now connect the device using copper straight through cable. We will go to the cable portion, copper straight through cable, connect fast Ethernet to the port 01 like this. We connect all devices to the switch. Now we go to the LAN 2. Cable we choose copper straight through cable, and now this is connect. Now our basic network topology is ready. Now we will configure the IP addresses for the LAN 1. With the ease of understanding, we assign the label to our topologies. LAN 1 belongs to IP range 10.0.0.0, subnet marks 255.0.0.0. 10.0.0.1, 10.0, 10.0.0.2, 10.0.0.3. Same we will do on LAN 2. LAN 2, assign IP address 192.168.1.0, subnet marks 255.255.255.0. Now we will assign IP address to the PC 192.168.1.1, 192.168.1.2, 192.168.1.3. This is label. This is not affect any of our networks. So we will go to the assign IP address to the PC in real mode. Go to the desktop, IP address 10.0.0.1. Subnet marks is 255.0.0.0. Now we will go to the PC. Next PC 10.0.0.2. Desktop 10.0.0.0.3. Next, we configure LAN 2. This network will be used IP address range 192.168.1.0. Now we will assign the IP address to the PCs like this. 192.168.1.1. Second PC, assign IP addresses 192.168.1.2. This is done. Now we will go to the last PC 192.168.1.3. Before connecting the router, we must check whether each LAN is working properly. Open the command prompt on the PC. Ping command 10.0.0.3. Enter. If you receive a reply, it means the device inside the LAN 1 are communicating successfully. Now test second LAN. Ping 10.0.0.2. Again, we should receive reply, so both LAN networks are working correctly. However, LAN 1 cannot communicate with the LAN 2 yet. For this communication, we need a router. Now place a Cisco 2911 router in this topology. 2911 Cisco router there. This router has multiple interface. We will use gigabit Ethernet 0/0. So we will connect gigabit 0/1 to the interface gigabit 0/0. Now we will connect, switch to the router gigabit interface 0.1 second LAN. Now we will connect gigabit 0.1. Now we will assign IP address to the router interface. Click on router, go to the configuration. Click router. First configure gigabit Ethernet 0/0. First configure gigabit 0/0. Assign IP addresses 10.0.0.4. Subnet mask 255.0.0.0. Enable port by turning port status on like this. Now configure second port 0/1. Assign IP addresses like 192.168.1.4. Subnet mask 255.255.255. Now again turn port switch on. Now the router is connected with the both networks. Now let's try communication between two networks. From LAN 1 PC we try to ping LAN 2. Go to the command prompt. Then we will ping 192.168.1.1. Request timeout. Why? Because we have not configured default gateway yet. So we will configure default gateway to the PCs. Each PC must knowing which router interface is used to reach another network. So we configure default gateway. For LAN 1 PC default gateway 10.0.0.4. We will assign default gateway 10.0.0.4. Then we will go default gateway 10.0.0.4. Now we will go the next 10.0.0.4. Now we will go to the LAN 2, same 10.0 192.168.1.4. Now we will go 192.168.1.4. 192.168.1.4. Now all PCs knowing where to send packets from external networks. Now we will test communication again. Ping 192.168.1.1. Now we'll receive reply message. This means the router is successfully forward packet between two networks. Now LAN 1 and LAN 2 can communication with each other. We can also observe packet movement using simulation mode like this. Send packet LAN 1 to the LAN 2 like this. Start. This shows how the router forward packet between two networks. You see the packet back to the PC 10.0.0.1 successfully. In this lab, we will learn how to create two LAN networks, configure IP addresses, connect to network using a router, configure router interface, set the default gateway, verify communication using ping. Both networks are successfully connected using a router. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share IFASS Tech YouTube channel. More Cisco Packet Tracer labs and CCNA tutorial are coming soon. Thank you for watching.